loves y'all. This I know. What's that dude's name that wanted to hear that
Kenny.
Skinner song? Kenny Skinner. That's four walls. Four walls to Rayford or something. But anyhow, Kenny, I couldn't do the not yet. I found a song. But until I learn it, I'll do a little bit of this Leonard Skinner for you. If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me? I'm as free as a bird now, like a bird you cannot tame. Like a bird you cannot change. Maybe that'll do for you, Kenny, until I learn that song. Four walls surrounding Rayford or to Rayford. But I heard Leonard do it this morning. Very good song. I like it a lot. And I'm going to learn it. Y'all that know Ron Howard, talk to the man. Tell him to listen. He's supposed to be involved with this thing because he's going to be, this Woodstock for Jesus. Ronnie, Willie Nelson, and Opie. Opie, where you at, Opie? Ron Howard, you got somebody get up with Ron Howard and talk to him. And look here, y'all know that if you lie, you can't get in the kingdom, don't you? And you know, if you be mean to your wife, you're in worse trouble. Or your mate, whichever one it is. Because if you're married, God sent that woman to you. He looks at her like a church, his church. So, best be good to her. You're going to keep being like you are. Anyhow, I used to be the same way. I need a set of drums. I'd be glad to pay for them. Somebody called me with a set that's cheap. At least Ludwig. I like to have Pearl, but I can't afford Pearl. But we rocking right along. We need that Woodstock for Jesus. All it takes is money. Like I said, I think some little woman's got the money for that. Or the land. Maybe it's the land she's got. But anyhow, it'll be preserved after we're done with it from all the miracles that come to this Woodstock for Jesus. It will always be remembered, and people will go there and pray for years to come afterwards. That's just how simple it is. God be with you, and thank you. Bye now.